Okay, I have been trying for weeks to be able to program this CPLD with a FlashCat, and I need some help. So, I've got the pinout here from the manual, and I'm going to try and hook this up and show what happens. Alright, so we've got ground goes to the top left on the JTAG port, so we've got ground here is the gray wire. We're going to plug that one in the top left pin. Alright, next we've got the 5 volt is the top right, so, or the VCC. We're going to take this here and put it in the top right pin position. Alright. Okay. Next on this is the TKC. TKC goes in the bottom left. TKC is blue. Put blue in the bottom left. Alright, green. Here is the TDO. TDO goes in the third from the top on the right column. Put that 1, 2, 3. Okay, TDI is yellow. Over here, TDI goes to the fourth one on the right. Right below the green. And then we've got orange, TMS. TMS goes in the second spot. Let's get this. Alright, so we've got everything in the right spot. We've got ground in the top left, power in the top right, and the rest of these are in the order. Okay, so if we plug this in, the CPLD board does get power. Okay, the chip on here, by the way, is a XC9572XL. Okay, which is listed as supported on the website. Alright, so it does power up. So then we open up the FlashCat software, we put it in JTAG mode, hit detect, and it always says failed to connect to target board using JTAG. So I don't know what to do here, so I'll load the script anyway just to see what happens. We come in, pick the SVF player script, it loads it up. You can select the XSVF file, click it, pick an example file, but it always says error when executing code, and it'll list this a bunch of times. It'll say TDO and FFFFFF expected this value, mask, F, and then error. And it'll do that a bunch of times and then quit. And so I'm not sure if I'm missing some step, if I'm hooking this up wrong, if there's something in the software I need to do. The manual says something about needing to flash a special firmware in order to use the JTAG mode. In the FlashCat software, there are different firmwares, but for this board I have an export PCB2. There's only one firmware shown for that, so I don't know if there's another place I need to get a different firmware or what, but I would really like some help in being able to flash this board. I really need to be able to get this programmed using a FlashCat. So anyway, thank you.